Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today my topic is body sounds vocabulary. Now let's get started the topic. Burp. Please cover your mouth when you burp. Slurp. Don't slurp your noodles, eat them quietly. Pant. I was panting after jogging for just 5 minutes. Hiccup. I started hiccuping in the middle of class. Whistle. I can't whistle. It's too hard for me. Sigh. He sighed deeply and sat down on the couch. Sniff. He is sniffing the tea before taking a sip. Gargle. Please gargle after brushing your teeth. Groan. He was groaning because of his back pain. Gulp. I took a gulp of water after workout. Giggle. They were giggling together at lunch. Scream. Don't scream at me. I am just trying to help. Tap feet. Please don't tap your feet in the library. Spit. Don't spit the sidewalk. It's not polite. Fart. It's not nice to fart in a crowded room. Blow nose. She is blowing her nose after sneezing. Clear throat. He cleared his throat before speaking. Snore. I am snoring and I don't even know it. Cough. He is coughing a lot this morning. Sneeze. I am sneezing because of the dust. Yawn. He is yawning while talking on the phone. Snap. I accidentally snapped my pencil in half. Thank you so much for watching my video.